How to become a millionaire this Christmas? Do you dream of becoming a millionaire and changing your life this Christmas season? If yes, this video will guide you on how to become a millionaire this Christmas. Christmas season, a perfect time for wealth creations. During Christmas, people engage in gift giving and enhance their beauty for festival celebrations. This consumer behavior creates a huge demand for various products, especially those related to fashion and personal appearance. By tapping into this market, you can truly make a huge fortune. Selling hair extension, your path to millionaire status. Hair extensions have gained immense popularity in recent years, making them a huge business opportunities. Here is a step-by-step guiding to making your mark in the hair extension industry this Christmas. Firstly, choose the right product. To attract customer extensions, please invest in trendy color. For this Christmas season, burgundy, dark blue, orange, and umbrella shades are in high demand. By offering these popular colors, you can appeal to a wide customer who are seeking unique and fashionable looks. Secondly, select the ideal hair type. To ensure maximum profits, invest in bolstered hair extensions. This glossy strand of this hair type enhances its appeal, making it a top choice for customers. Moreover, bolstered hair extensions complement various hair lengths, making them adaptable for different styles. Thirdly, find a reliable supplier. To maintain consistency, high qualities, and reasonable price, consider importing your hair extension from a reputable hair extension factory like KA. Currently, we are offering a super big sale book programs, giving you the opportunity to save money and maximize profits. Lastly, platform and promotions. To reach potential buyers, utilize various online forums, social media platforms, and local fairs, creating engaging and eye-catching product listings, complete with attractive image and clear descriptions. Participating in regional fairs will allow you to show your products and interact directly with potential customers. Becoming a millionaire within 3 months may seem like a distant dream, but with the right approach and strategy, you can achieve it by this Christmas season. So, get ready to embark on this journey and changing your life for the better. Thank you and see you again.